Make great spiced pumpkin latte pancakes with this secret sauce. Now you can make quick and easy spiced pumpkin pancakes as seen in my other recipe, or you can make great spiced pumpkin latte pancakes with spiced pumpkin latte sauce. So let's get started with the sauce. We begin with making a simple syrup. Half a cup of water with half a cup of sugar. Heat it until the sugar is completely dissolved. And while the sugar syrup is still hot, whisk in 2/3 cup of canned pumpkin, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this until it's smooth, pour into a jar, and refrigerate until cool. Store this in the refrigerator to make these great spiced pumpkin latte pancakes, or use to make spiced pumpkin lattes seen in my other video. Okay, let's start making the pancakes. Whisk together 2 eggs, 2 cups of spiced pumpkin latte sauce, 4 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Now I like to use coconut oil, but you use your favorite, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now stir 1 1/3 cup of self-rising flour. Stir until it's blended, but don't overblend it. Spray a skillet or griddle with non-stick cooking spray. Do not use butter. Heat pan until hot enough for water dropped on the pan to sizzle and jump. Turn your heat down to medium. Because you have pumpkin in these pancakes, it is going to take longer to cook. If you use butter, the butter is going to burn before the pancakes can cook completely. Drop 1/4 to 1/3 cup of batter on the hot pan. You want to spread the batter a little to make it a little thinner. This will take longer to cook. Now after about 2 minutes, the edges will appear drier and have bubbles. Take your spatula and kind of lift up the edges and check underneath to see how brown it is. Flip over and then cook for another 2 minutes or until done. And keep pancakes hot on a cookie sheet in a 200-degree oven. Now you can find the recipe ingredients in the description bar, and my mind is just going crazy thinking about the other possible recipes with the spiced pumpkin latte sauce. How about you? Subscribe for more recipes that taste great.